Hey guys, welcome to Let's Learn Pro. So today we are going to solve this two sum problem. It can be asked in Amazon, Microsoft, or any other companies. So this is one of the basic question. Using it, different question can be formed. So let's go through the description. So this is one of a LeetCode problem, and here like it says there is an array of integers, and you will be given a target. So that target should be equal to two elements if it is there, and you need to return the indices of those elements. So for example, if you see here, the numbers in the array are this, and we have a target. So we are returning 0 and 1. So that means the first element and second element 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Hence we will return the indices. And similarly, there are other cases. Okay, so basically in our first approach we will start with brute force. So that means we will loop over all the elements in the array, and inside that we will loop over the same array. So that means we will be having the combination of all the elements of this array. So let's get it started. Okay, so I am okay. So we will loop over all the elements of the array. Okay, and again we will loop over it so that we will get all the combination. Okay, so here we are having target, and we need to find two elements, that is target is equal to a plus b, and suppose we have a, then b is equal to target minus a. So we'll follow this approach. Okay? So basically we will find is equal to target minus, so what will be the current element. Okay, so we are going to find. Okay, if to find is equal to nums j, then what will happen? We need to return vector of int. Okay, so we will just return here return the index I and index j. Okay, and we need to have one more if case I shouldn't be is equal to j. If it is, just continue. Okay, and then just return empty array. Okay, so this is our approach of brute force. We are looping over, we are getting all the combinations, and let's run it. So if we run it, and let's see the result. Okay, so all test cases are passed. Okay, so we will see the time complexity. So the time complexity will be big O of n square, because we are looping over the array twice. Okay, that's why this is having time complexity of n square. Let's submit it. Okay, this is accepting all the test cases are passed. And now if you see here, it is 87 milliseconds. So it's too much because we are looping over all the elements twice. Okay, Let's try to find optimized solution. Can we optimize it? Let's see. So can we do it in big O of n? Yes, using some extra memory. Big O of n and plus time complexity plus memory of n. Okay. So what we will do is we will loop over nums once. And basically what we will do is we will use map where we will store value and index. So similar to previous approach, we will be finding target minus the current element. Okay. If we found it, just make it here to find if itr not equal to, and if we found it, so what we will basically do is just declare vector of int result, or we can basically return it. We don't need to declare it. We basically will return the index. So the index is I and itr of second, because we are storing key as value and value as index. Okay. Otherwise just return empty vector. Okay. Now what will happen in the else case? If we don't find it, just insert, what we will insert is the current value. So the current value is nums I and its index. Okay, let's run it. So after running, okay, all the test cases are pass. Now we will try to submit it. Okay, let's submit. This is previous 87 millisecond. Now see, okay, we are now getting 4 milliseconds. So huge optimization we have done, and it will take big O of n and time as time complexity, and the space complexity will be n. Okay, so basically like this we can solve it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe. Thank you.